Okay, so today we are going to winterize the big boat. It's getting pretty cold in the mornings here, so I don't want to be rushing around, trying to get this done. So yeah, big boat's getting done today. Yeah, it's got to get done, so might as well start doing it today, because it's about 53, but it's starting to go down to 40, 42, and that at nighttime. So all it takes is for it to switch just a little bit lower, and we're dead in the water. So yeah, let me get you set up on the inside. Let me get this tarp taken off a little bit more. Okay, so there should be a drain valve on that side right here, and I think over here on the lower side. It's a little bit hard to get in there. I'm gonna try my best to get you guys in there. So here's one right here. Go ahead and undo this. There might be some sediment inside that hole, so what I do, I didn't bring it with me, I gotta go get it, but what I do is I put a rod or something up underneath there to break out that sediment right there so it can drain. I'm also going to be draining the lower half also, and some of these hoses. So yeah, yeah, like I said, it's really cramped in here. I'm trying to get everything for you guys, but I think you'll get the drift if you do it yourself on your own boat. Another one right here. There we go. There we are. See all that water coming out? That's what you want to see. Woo, it's cold on the hands. Gotta be done though. Gotta be done. Yeah, so imagine all that water right there expanding. So this has got to be done. I'm going to go around the other side and get the other one on the other side if there's one. Now this is my first year owning this boat. I just got it. Well, you that follow me know about a month ago or so I got this boat. So yeah. It's a learning experience for all of us. Not see another one over there. So I am going to put a little bit of that antifreeze in here. That RV antifreeze. And that, so yeah. Yep. We're going to put this all the way down so we can drain the oil out of it. Well, we're gonna have to looks like we're gonna have to put the front down a little bit so this can go up a little bit, because I need to drain that fluid there. There we go, much better. All right. Let me bring it around over here. First, what you do is that you go up top here and unscrew that right there and get the air flowing. That's also where you check your oil at. Awesome. So we're gonna do that too. Yeah, oil looks good. Oil level looks good. But we're gonna go ahead and drain that right now. It's always a good practice to do it when you get ready to put it away for the season. At least I do. And like I said, I just got this boat, so I needed to do it anyways, but yeah. Well, it doesn't look like it has any water in it. That's good. It's pretty thick and nasty looking though. So yeah, we'll let that drain. Okay, so next what we're gonna do, we are going to put our stable in there. Just go ahead and read the back of your bottle and go by the directions there. I got three. I put 3 ounces in there. I'm gonna put it all in there. All gone. Well, we gotta love northern Michigan, huh? Very cool, huh? As you can see, we have our pump hooked up to our lower unit there. You just keep pumping it up. Go by your manufacturer's recommendation for your unit, but we use this here to gauge how much oil is put in. So you just kind of screw it in there and then you check it periodically so you don't overfill it. Okay, this is what we use here. RV and Marine -50. This right here, you fill this up, open up this little vent, and then when you start it up, you open this up, let it suck through the muffs, and you're good. Okay, now while it's running, we're going to go ahead the carburetor now. You're gonna do it till it stops. Do half this can. There we go. Okay. Now we're all done. I appreciate you coming along today. And remember, it's just nuts and bolts, and God bless. See you in the spring, eh?